I'm Danny Gonzalez. We're here at the IPPE show. It's brought to you by Stobly, and we're here at the Ensight booth. And I'm here with Heath Clifton, who, he's going to tell us a little about what's going on. Heath, thank you so much for joining me today.
Yeah, I appreciate you guys talking to me. So we're Ensight Solutions. We are a manufacturer of material handling equipment, further processing equipment, mixing, blending, high shear mixers. We also have automation division that we've been working with Stobly on. We really enjoy working with them. They've been a great partner with us. I think we wanted to talk about what we have going on behind, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So we got a couple things going on in the booth, but right here, what is this? What's going on?
So this is our bowl separator. So what we're trying to do with it is show that you can put bulk product into a small area. We can separate it out, and that gives the robot and the vision camera an opportunity to identify the product and then put it on. We're really trying to showcase direct product contact. That's really where Ensight as a company focuses, is mostly in the direct product contact area. Especially with the Stobly robots, you have a full washdown robot. It doesn't have to be bagged or anything else. Along with the rest of the equipment, it's made for direct product contact. The soft robotics gripper you see running right there, is a fully enclosed end of arm tooling that you can spray down as well. We really wanted to highlight, we put chicken wings in there for the area we're in. There's a lot of chicken production facilities in the area, and we really wanted to highlight that as well. So,
well, job well done. This is really interesting. So how many? Obviously, this is one type of application, but how many other, like from a food product standpoint, could you tailor this to?
There's, hundreds of other applications. Really any application where you're bringing in bulk chicken, you want to separate it out, you want to style it before it goes into a machine, or once it's come out of a machine, whether it's been tenderized or slit, it could be water jet cut. At that point, we can use it to pick out the different cuts of chicken, or any protein product. It doesn't necessarily have to focus on chicken. At that point, you could separate it out and put it in different gradings and things as well. So lots of opportunity in all the protein world for this.
Yeah, absolutely. This looks it's pretty cool. I like, one of the things that's exciting is just seeing the collaboration between different organizations and coming up with these engineered solutions, I guess, that would be kind of part of the name, right? Makes a lot of sense. This is great. One other question I would have is, what are some of the challenges, or maybe the top challenges that your customers are facing right now?
I have to say labor. That's really where a lot of the automation has come into focus. Traditionally, the food industry has been a heavy labor market, and the last few years, especially with some of the pandemic issues, the labor force hasn't been there to be able to continue to produce the amount of food that we need. That's why we really focused on automation, on how can we help our customers integrate automation into their food lines, and take some of that stress of resources off of them. So that's really what we've been focusing on, and I think we've done a pretty good job so far, and lots of opportunity in the future to continue that.
Absolutely, I would imagine. So as you mentioned that, about obviously this is a solution to be able to help for that labor challenge right now. One thing I'm curious about is, what's a lead time look like on this, or just to get it through testing and fully deployed?
I would say right now, with the with our own challenges getting electrical parts, robots, and everything, we're about 26 to 30 weeks. So we're probably a little shorter than some of them. I've heard anything from 40 to 52 weeks just to get robots and other parts in. So we work with some different manufacturers for our supply chain to try to give our customers a quick turnaround on our products and what we can get out to them to really help alleviate those resource issues.
All right, great. Well, listen, Heath, I really appreciate the time. Thanks so much for telling us, showing us your new innovations, and sharing us with what's going on in the industry with your customers. And hope you have a great rest of the show.
All right, thank you. Appreciate you guys coming in.